Alright, so this is your check your work video for lesson 18 independent practice. I'm only going to be looking at parts A and B, that way at least you have something that you should be trying to do on your own. Okay, so I'm only doing 2 of the 3 actual parts of this question. Put it together. Imagine you have a pan balance. The left pan holds a bag with an unknown number of identical blocks and 10 more blocks. As blocks you can see. Assume the bag by itself has no weight, the other pan is empty. Draw a picture of what the balance would look like in this situation. So if one side is empty, it's going to obviously be lighter than the side that has a bunch of stuff on it. So it's going to be higher up than the other side of the pan balance. So first I need to draw that happening. So this side is the one that has the bag with all the blocks and everything. So please do not judge my drawing. I'm doing this on the screen, so it's a little more difficult. So it says a bag with an unknown number. So I'm going to draw just a bag. Yes, look at that. It's gorgeous. Okay. And it has an unknown number, so that tells me I need to use a variable. And then I have 10 more blocks that I can see. So 1, 2, don't judge my blocks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This only looks like 6 because this one's messed up. So I'm gonna 7, 8, 9, and then 10's chilling over here by himself. Okay. So this is literally all you have to draw. It doesn't need to be fancy. It can look just like mine. For part B, it says suppose you put 13 identical blocks in the right side of the pan, and this makes the pan hang evenly. So now they're flat, basically. This pan is going to be like this. Straight across, it's just going to be a line. Draw a picture of the balance. What equation does this represent? Okay. Again, we're not solving any equations, we're just drawing and writing what the equation would be. So again, I have my handy dandy bag of unknown, and this is still x, and then I have my 10 blocks over here. It's funny how my blocks look like circles, yeah. So there's 3, 4, oh my gosh, it's getting too much, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 blocks. Okay. I counted them. There's 10 there, even though it doesn't look like it right now. And then on this side, I'm supposed to have 13. And it says that they hang evenly. So that tells me that this side is equal to the weight of this side. There's 4. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so you have 13 on this side, you have 10 and an unknown amount on this side. So if we wanted to write this as an equation, we would start with our left side. So we have x, because we're on a bag of blocks. And we're adding to that a 10, because on the same side of our pan, we have 10 blocks that we can see. And on the other side, we have 13. So this should be easy mental math for you guys. 13 minus 10 would equal x. So 13 minus 10 is 3, so x is 3. Okay. Again, this is a check your work video for lesson 18 practice. Hopefully this helped you guys a little bit, and hopefully this helps you figure out what would happen in part C, because I'm not going to show you part C. I want to see what you guys come up with on your own. Alright.